Homemade meatloaf, another family favorite. Easy ingredients. Enjoy. I like to saute my vegetables. They give it an additional flavor to the meatloaf. You're gonna have 2 pounds of ground beef. I use the lean, half a teaspoon of salt, and you know me, I love my pepper, so I always add extra, so it's 1 teaspoon, but it's up to you. You can add as much as you like. I like to put dried parsley, so I'm gonna add an entire tablespoon to that. And then you can use any type of breadcrumbs. I just like the regular flavored breadcrumbs, and so I'll add an entire cup of that. This is my favorite meatloaf starter. I use almost the entire can, but I leave a little bit left to top for the top of it when it's done. Now you just pour all of that in. I didn't show, but I also added 2 eggs to the mixture. And you'll add all of that into the pan and then start mixing. Since the veggies are very hot, I use a spatula to mix, and then once it cools off, then you can start shaping your loaf. I like to spray my pan with non-stick spray. I use the olive oil, and then pour your mixture in, and then you can shape as you wish. Here's where you want to add the rest of your sauce to the top. Spread it out evenly, and then you're going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for an hour and a half, uncovered. Looks great. Now for the final touches, I like to sprinkle a little bit of extra pepper on top of the sauce, and then it's time to bake. And it's done. Piping hot delicious. Enjoy. Love, Nana.